Tap on the button to play letter sounds. Which letter do you want to play with? You tap the letter that makes this sound. Let's take a look at what I've found. It's a mat. Look, mat. Mat starts with a sound. It's a muddy mat. Find the letter that makes the sound to make a new word. S. No, that's not quite right. P. Try again. Well done. That word says mouse. Mouse starts with a sound. A mouse in a mask. Find the three things which start with a sound. That's right. Is for milk. My milk. Try again. No, that's not quite right. That's right. Is for mouse. A mouse in a mask. That's right. Is for mat. A muddy mat.